How to speak positively about your child. Instead of, "My child is so stubborn," say, "My child keeps her opinions strongly." Instead of, "My child is very shy," say, "My child likes to observe first and then chooses to speak." Instead of, "My child is very hyperactive," say, "My child has a lot of energy, and when channelized, he or she does wonders." Instead of, "My child gets scared easily," say, "My child is very cautious and avoids potential danger." Parents, children are always listening. There are many ways in which we can speak positively about our children. Our words play an important role in framing their personality.